I'm glad you can join us here at Shib Kai. I've revealed the gang. Strange as it sounds, Elon Musk addressed the plight of Shiba owner CEO Elon Musk, who, as usual, also as several other chiefs had been following Elon's tweet a few days before the takeover was put on hold. It's time. Twitter updated its SEC filing to remind Musk that he cannot resign at this time. Even more surprising, the Twitter deal actually increased Shiba's value. In this video, we'll explain why Elon Musk on Twitter has already taken advantage of Shiba, and he did. If you enjoyed this article on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. There's no time to lose, so let's get right into the video. Twitter investors are filing a lawsuit against Elon Musk, company, and others over the share price disruption caused by the purchase, which is still ongoing. On April 4, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, revealed a major investment on Twitter, and 10 days later, on April 28, he proposed a $44 billion buyout, or $54.20 per share, to get the money for the acquisition. He sold some of his Tesla shares and used the proceeds as collateral for loans. Shares of Twitter and Tesla are down about 12% and 28%, respectively, since Musk's takeover was noticed. Amidst the big sell-off in the technology sector, Twitter shareholders, who allege Musk violated California corporate laws on several fronts, engaging in market manipulation as a possible wrongdoing, filed a proposed class action lawsuit against Musk on Wednesday, sending Tesla shares down more than 40% by the close of trading Wednesday. They say Musk profited financially by not disclosing his Twitter holdings and by remaining silent about his intention to join Twitter's board of directors until early April. Musk also recently acquired shares in Twitter. Silver Lake, CEO and longtime friend of Musk's Jack Dorsey, is named in the complaint as a source of inside information about the company. Failure on the part of Durbin, a Twitter board member whose company invested in Solar City before it was acquired by Tesla. On Wednesday, Dorsey made his resignation from Twitter's board public. Shareholders refused to return Durbin. This potential lawsuit also alleges that Musk violated California law by casting doubt on whether he would complete the acquisition after signing the contract to buy it. Musk announced earlier this month that he would delay the acquisition of Twitter in order to collect additional information regarding suspicious behavior, such as the spread of fake or bot accounts. Shareholders allege he was trying to use his complaints about the bots as leverage to either get a better offer or to refuse the purchase outright. Accusations that Twitter is not doing enough to stop automated fake accounts from posting content have been leveled against the company for some time. During the first 3 months of this year, Twitter found that fake accounts made up less than 5% of its daily active users, and that the numbers were just estimates and could be higher than confirmed by the company's previous public statements. These assurances are not to be believed. An important metric is the total number of spam bots using the service, according to Susan Streeter, an analyst at Hargreaves Lansdowne. If the number comes out higher than expected, it could hinder the company's ability to grow advertising revenue or paid membership. However, she noted, the validity of Mr. Musk's concerns remained unclear. Doubts will be cast as to whether or not the fake accounts are the real driver of this stalling technique. She argued that his takeover was motivated less by a desire to accumulate wealth and more by a desire to protect freedom of speech. The price the platform is asking is a whopping $44 billion USD. So, maybe he's trying to negotiate a lower price. The value of many companies, including some once favorite tech giants, has been wiped out by weeks of market volatility in the U.S. Mr. Musk, who stands as the world's richest person, is tied to his investment in electric car company Tesla, where he serves as CEO and was planning to draw on his stock to help fund the Twitter purchase. However, Tesla's share price has been dropping recently. He sold shares last month, making $8.5 billion after Musk tweeted that the deal was on hold. He plans to use the equity to raise. It added more than 5% to Tesla's share price. But what you don't know is that the price of Shiba in the US has skyrocketed thanks to Elon's Twitter contract. You might be wondering how relevant this piece of information is if you are not familiar with Elon Musk or dog-themed cryptocurrencies. But surprisingly, there's a long history of it. When good views of Musk are cheapened, usually during the early months of 2021, Elon Musk has publicly endorsed Dogecoin. The billionaire frequently tweeted about Doge last spring when its price was at an all-time high. At the same time, cryptocurrency professionals began to realize that Musk was manipulating the prices. According to the data, even the CEO managed to increase Bitcoin price. This Twitter post cannot be insensitive. The impact is not limited to Bitcoin alone. Of course, this was evident from Musk's SNL appearance, which eventually drove the value of Dogecoin down as more competitors emerged. They also started revving their engines on social media platforms for Musk, the second largest coin. The Shiba Inu has been gaining traction in Elon Musk's Shiba Inu tweet since the summer of last year, when Musk started tweeting about his real dog. The token value is set to rise to an all-time high as expected. This plan fails as Musk reveals that he does not have any gray hair, regardless of whether or not he is the legal owner of any Shiba in the United States. Musk has been very successful in promoting their values. If that leads to profits, investors won't be upset. The Twitter acquisition boosted trade volumes and the popularity of altcoins such as Shib and Doge across social media in the wake of Elon Musk's decision to acquire Twitter. A longtime favorite of the billionaire businessman, the Shiba Inu meme has increased in popularity by nearly 30%. The highest value a meme coin has ever achieved was 17 cents. It stood out in a day when other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and Polkadot, were somewhat flat. Even in 2022, the Shiba Inu remains one of the most attractive digital currencies available, having increased in value by around 50 million% in 2021 alone, and the Shiba Inu will be remembered as one of the fastest expanding digital currencies ever. The Shiba Inu team has released a new burning mechanism for the shibaswap exchange, which provides passive income to token holders while burning their tokens. The Shiba Inu used a retail price of $160, 0.2, and was bigger in early January 2022 than it had been for several months, thanks to the gradual upward trend of the cryptocurrency markets. The recent announcement of Shiba Inu coin's plans to release Shibuya, the Shiba Inu metaverse, has as reasons to excite the altcoin market. The Shiba Inu symbol, often known as Yoshi, was invented in August of 2020 by an unknown person. Rocky says he's a nobody, though revealing his true identity is likely to disappoint many. It is not necessary. The Shiba Inu team has launched a decentralized exchange called shibaswap in a little over a day. She was well over her head, having burned out her $1 billion in available cash and leaving shibaswap with nothing of worth. 3 primary tokens exist. The Shiba Inu, the native token of the network, is the first. We also have the bone and the leash options. 3 of the 4 members of the Shiba Inu network have a common language based on the canine concept for those looking for liquidity. Shibaswap also has a staking option called bury and dig that involves burying and digging up tokens when referring to the platform's ability to supply liquidity. Bury and dig is the term of choice. The number of tokens staked on Shibaswap will determine the share of the liquidity pool each stake receives. Token holders assert that Shibaswap is one of several big changes that could affect the value of Shiba Inu and the token wallet. Investor analysts project a price of 64 cents for Shiba in US, which would be an increase of 814.29% from current levels. An investment of as little as $100 in SHIB tokens now might be worth $914.29 in 2026. The day's events have come to an end. You can keep up with our most recent uploads by giving this video a resounding thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to the channel.